Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on select basic ads on your eBay app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how to turn on this mark on your account. So just go up, you will click here on app, then it's going to show for you a window like this. And you just go down here, then you come here to settings, and it's going to take you here on next window. You just go down here, then you come here to advanced and related preferences, and you come to next window here. So and all you have to do now, just go down and you come here to select basic ads. You just click here on this mark, so you will go to watch into this, it's gone, and we keep so like this. You click here on, we will go back, you come here to select basic ads, you will click here on this mark, and you just waiting, and like you see this color show for us, that's mean it's turned on now. So that's all. I wish you I give it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.